Are you looking for a hidden gem just near Kampala? Well, Ssezibwa Falls is the right choice for you. So in today's video, we're going to take you along as we go to Sezibwa Falls, that is located just 32 kilometers away from Kampala off the Kampala-Jinja highway. Usually when we're doing a one-day tour to Jinja, we usually stop here either before the tour or after, and we spend time enjoying this cultural and heritage site that has a very strong attachment to the people of Uganda. Sezibwa Falls is surrounded by beautiful nature, surrounded by beautiful trees, a lush compound, and of course the waterfalls. It's a very nice cultural site, but also a very good place to stop for nature lovers. There is so much that you can do around here that includes nature walks, bird watching. There are also community visits that can be done near Sezibwa, and usually what happens there is that you're able to go into the community, meet with the people that live near Sezibwa Falls, learn about their history, their culture, and their traditions. Being a spiritual and cultural site, there are shrines that are located near the Sezibwa Falls. And the Sezibwa Falls, the most interesting thing about the Sezibwa Falls is that culture and attachment and the story that surrounds these falls. According to the Uganda, traditional legend has it that a woman gave birth to twin rivers that is named Sezibwa and Bwanda. According to the legend, it says that she had disputes with her husband and she decided to go back to her home where she was born. When she reached the home, the father told her that she should go back to her marital home and sort whatever differences that they had with the husband. So on her way, it's believed that it is on her way as she was about to approach her home, she decided to rest as she was heavily pregnant, and while near her home, she supernaturally gave birth to twin rivers named Sezibwa and Bwanda. So that is where the name Sezibwa is derived from, and that is one of the most intriguing things about Sezibwa Falls, the story attached to it. So when you get to the grounds, you will notice that there are people around. People come here to pay respects to the spirits that live here. There are shrines in the lush compounds, and people have a strong attachment to the falls because they believe that they are the spirits here that they come to appease and to worship while visiting the grounds. So Sezibwa is not just the waterfalls, but it also has a very strong attachment, as it's a spiritual ground and also a cultural ground. So visiting the site gives you an opportunity to enjoy the beauty and the nature that surrounds these waterfalls, but also gives you an opportunity to learn about the culture and the tradition and the story that surrounds Sezibwa Falls. So if you are looking to visit this place, you can get in touch with us. We've written an article that is more detailed about Sezibwa that you can read in the description box below. And if you would like to book a tour to Sezibwa, you can always let us know at info@56africatours.com. Thank you for watching this video, and we will now leave you to enjoy the nature and the beauty of Sezibwa.